Python. How does Python executes multiple boolean in one statement? With following condition, what should Python return? In which sequence the condition will get executed? True or false and true.
Like it Dean Dumitru has said, and like it said in this answer here, the and has a higher precedence than or. Hence, your condition could be rewritten in this way.
And has a higher precedence than or. True or false and true. True or true and true. True or true. True. This URL